Alright, what's up guys? We're going to be removing the alternator on this car. Let's get straight to it. So there would be two screws right here. I'm going to remove them. And there's two bolts right here. I'm going to take them off. There's also a connection right there that we're going to remove. Going to get a pick tool like this. And there's also a connection right there that we need the flathead to remove. This whole thing comes out in one piece. Let's put it right here so it's not in our way. Alright, here is the alternator. So the second thing that we need to do is get I think it's a T60. We also need a 1/2-inch ratchet. So that way it's easier to take the tension off, because tension on these is not the easiest. This is, let's see, kind of messed up the teeth. It needs to be pushed. Okay, so this has to go like this. Okay. I don't know who zip tied this here, but this. Get 13mm. There's a 13. Make sure the battery is disconnected. There's a connection. You just click on the clip. Okay, so we have 4 bolts that hold the alternator in place. So, and there are E sockets. I'm presuming it's an E12. Sure is. Sure is an E12, homie. Don't know what the hell this came from. I have a feeling it's broken. Yeah, it sure is broken. Somebody put it here. Doesn't look like it belongs there. Maybe it does, I don't know. Okay, all 4 bolts for the alternator, and the alternator comes out. It's easy. Okay, I'm gonna take this pull. Got our brand new alternator. Guess not. blow on one. Okay. It's right here. Don't go too much. Those are aluminum bolts. They don't need to be torqued up that much. Okay. Okay, so second thing we want to do is connect this, and we have this. Study? No, oh, start it? Yeah, by myself. I don't work for no one. It's good. Okay, looks like it's plugged in. Just gotta put the belt and the air intake, and that's it. Go all the way down. Okay. Looks good to me. When like the actual, like the big high voltage battery goes bad, it's like 25K to replace, like almost as much as a car. I myself don't like electric cars. It's just, I'm like the type of enthusiast that likes petrol motors, cars that run on gas or any fuel. I mean, everybody is different. But I prefer these. These last a lot longer. You're familiar with them. You know how to fix them. You don't need, like, if it goes really bad, you don't really need to contact a dealership or something, because, you know, it's not super high tech. You can fix it by yourself. Okay. All right. Okay. Inside the car, and take the key. I'm gonna put the key right back in. So for the record, it was shooting about 18 volts, which is horrible for a car like this. Well, I don't think any car is gonna have 18 volts, so it was an indication of a bad what do you call it, alternator. It was overcharging. I don't know what my scanner is tweaking. We had a check engine light. Well, it says service engine soon right here, and the code was for alternator and missing or something, and it was like the type of the code was current. Now when I scan it, it said absent. So when I cleared the codes, yeah, every time I clear the codes, it comes back. Anyway, it was saying right here volts 14, it was saying 18. So there's no trouble codes no more. As I said, the alternator one was persistent. I changed the battery, same problem, so went ahead and changed the alternator. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. See ya.